Today's entire video is sponsored by Eufy Security.
It flew right into my ear, and it was big.
It went in your ear? Seriously? A bug just flew in your ear?
Like, it was something large, and it went, and it hit me in the ear.
Did it actually go in the ear?
Yes, it did.
Hi everyone and welcome to Pal2 Tech. I have made videos before on this channel about smart doorbell units and floodlight cameras from Eufy Security. They've been working great to let me know as soon as those new Fujifilm X-H2 packages arrive, or if I have, dinosaurs trespassing through the yard. Well, this week Eufy Security has released a brand new 4K solar-powered 2-camera system, the S330 Eufy Cam. This new video camera system has a lot of great features, including built-in AI technology to identify, lock into, and record humans, animals, or cars, facial detection ability, and the best part, no monthly subscription fees. And that's because all of the video footage is stored and accessible locally, right on the unit itself. Not only that, but this new unit allows for expandable storage by adding a 2.5-inch external SATA hard drive. Inside the box, you get the main home base unit with detailed installation instructions, 2 solar-powered 4K Ultra HD cameras, mounting kit and screw packs, 2 camera ball head mounts that look like something right out of a photographer's studio, various USB-C and network cables, a power adapter, and a security sticker to let everyone know you are getting serious about security now. Each camera has a solar panel right on the top, while the front of the unit has the camera, an area light, and an LED indicator. On the back, you've got a sync button, as well as a 1/4-inch screw mount and a USB-C port. The cameras are also waterproof with an IP weatherproof rating of IP67. Now the base unit has a status light in front, while the back has 2 USB charging ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and a power port. There's also a sync button that's used to set it up initially. Now the top is interesting. It has a removable magnetic cover that pops off, revealing a hard drive bay inside. This gives you the option to add a 2.5-inch internal SATA hard drive and increase your archive footage storage to months or even years. Now you don't have to add an external hard drive at all, as the cameras do record your video footage onto 16 gigs of local onboard storage that's located right on the base unit itself. And if you do decide to use just the internal storage, you'll have access to approximately 90 days of prior footage under normal use. There are no cloud storage fees nor privacy issues to worry about since everything is stored right on the unit itself. But if you do want to add your own additional internal hard drive, just flip out the magnetic top and install the drive right from there. The installation of the additional storage hard drive takes about 10 seconds to do. Now the camera itself features an f1.4 aperture lens shooting in 4K Ultra HD. This is 4 times the pixels than 1080p, bringing you a 3840 by 2160 video image. This higher resolution allows you to zoom in and gives you a 40% improvement to light sensitivity at night. Let's take a look at the quality now of the footage that you can get, which is made possible because both cameras shoot in 4K Ultra HD. So here's the camera right now live while I am shooting this video. Literally, I'm on it live and I'm seeing the live feed. If I zoom in 200%, look at how good the image looks, and that's because of the 4K resolution. You can see the details in the bricks very clearly. The picture overall looks really good. Now I will zoom in at 400%. That's a 4 times magnification from the original image, and it still looks great. And look at how you can see the detail of the bark on the tree. You see that right there? If I pull back to 100%, you can really see how far away it is. Now, because they're solar powered and they have a built-in battery, if they get an average of 2 hours of sunlight a day, they can be kept powered indefinitely. However, if you don't have any sunlight at all, they can still last up to an entire year, running only with the built-in internal rechargeable battery. Now, this length of time can obviously vary based on recording scenarios, amount of motion detection, usage of the front-facing light, and so forth. And obviously, you don't want to mount these cameras under the eaves of your house or under a shady tree. Ideally, you want to have some sunlight hitting them about 2 hours a day. So I decided to test them out by mounting them directly to a deck, one on each side. Thus, each camera would give me a clear view of opposite sides of the yard. Now, the installation process was incredibly simple. Just drill a pilot hole and use the 2 included screws to mount the camera. Installing both cameras took about 20 minutes because I didn't have to worry about powering them and running cords and that kind of thing. Is that the last screw?
Yeah, there's only two.
Now, once the cameras are installed, it's time to head over to the app and fine-tune them from there. The app offers many features to control the cameras. You can customize the recording, connect to a streaming server and broadcast your footage, manage your storage and video quality options, change from black and white to color night vision, and of course, review past events that the cameras have captured. The app also shows you a detailed view of your battery percentage trend and the solar charging efficiency. Now, these cameras include a brand new self-learning AI human recognition feature that Eufy calls Bionic Mind. And basically, this means that the camera's subject detection system now performs 2 main functions. First, it can be told who a family member or member of the household is. You either tell it once by taking a photo with your phone, right, using the app, so that it has a library of your family members, or it can capture individuals in real time, automatically segment out their faces, and then you can add them as specific people for future recognition. And once you have this set up, it can then inform you if it notices strangers versus people that you know. And of course, you can also use it to filter footage by individuals. And it can tell the difference between humans, pets, and vehicles. Now, to enable subject tracking, you set up an area that you want to have the camera always monitoring. And of course, you can adjust the sensitivity of the motion tracking, as well as also set up areas to be excluded from motion tracking as well. All of your past recordings are very easily accessed with the app. You just open the app, navigate over to the events, and then if you see a dot over the date, that will tell you that the camera has caught something happening. So you simply pull up that date or range of dates and then see everything that the camera caught that was going on outside and around your property. You can also have two-way conversations with your visitors in real time as well. And if you need to, you can trigger a built-in alarm which consists of both a noise feature and a flashing light. Overall, these security cameras have come a long way in recent years. The ability to shoot in 4K and get such high quality footage, local storage so you're not having to pay monthly fees and sign up for any kind of a service, and what I think is the best feature, using solar power to run the cameras so you don't have to deal with plugging them in anywhere. You can pretty much put these cameras anywhere that there is some sunlight. I will leave a link down below in the description of this video where you can check out more about the S330 Eufy Cam. In the meantime, I want to thank Eufy Security for sponsoring this entire video and supporting the channel. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you found the video helpful or at least entertaining. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I will see you again in a new video very soon. Take care.